I don't think we're forgetting anything. I gotta get gas, I mean. Also, being handicapped doesn't mean you drive slow. Okay, yeah, come on. I think I need to get this bike's valves adjusted. So don't let me forget to do a little intro. It's Biscuit Benny and Naked Nate, and we're doing a little trip down to Little Nashville, aka Nashville, Indiana. We're gonna do some exploring, take some back roads. So join us on this epic adventure. Cue the music, you know, some EDM stuff as we take off from this light. This feels so good. I know, Brown County, by the way, is usually crawling with cops, especially on a day like today. So we'll be careful around Brown County, but in the back roads we'll be fine. For those of you who don't know about Little Nashville, it was actually a mining colony in the 1870s. And after they dug out the quarry and got all the limestone out, it kind of became a ghost town. And then it underwent a big revitalization when all these mom and pop shops started opening and it became a tourist destination. People started going down there to go swimming in the quarries. So there's a little tidbit of information for you. No, I'm kidding. That's completely made up. Well, I saw that scoop diddy whoop. We always look around for permission first. Is anybody looking? Hot dogs for breakfast is the breakfast of champions. Especially if you slide those buggers right down your throat without chewing. Well, sorry, dude. Oh, come on. Yeah, he was like, I'm a Harley rider. I don't use a helmet, so I'm not gonna wave to anyone else. Hello, Mr. Harley. What is it with them, dude? And not wearing any gear? Why? They don't wear gear because their bikes can't go that fast. Today's not really a vlogging day. It's really just a chill, enjoy the ride day. All right, so just so you know, we're not taking this road back. This is boring. There's just too many lights, too many people. Okay, and here we go. Careful. Dude, he did not see either of us.
Oh, I thought it was on the whole time while we were peeing.
No, I turned it off for that.
Beep, boop, bop, beep, beep, boop, bop.
Before we lived together, I would ride down here by myself sometimes and just go for rides. Keeps things interesting. Cop. I know, Brown County, by the way, is usually crawling with cops, especially on a day like today. So we'll be careful around Brown County, but in the back roads we'll be fine. It's like we're gonna kill ourselves out here. Don't let our parents know. Poor guy's riding by himself. Join up on Cena, brother. It's got a double-sided swing arm, so it's not a Triumph. It might be a Yamaha FZ. It is an FZO. That might be an SC10, dude. Dude, he's going for it. You know, it's like a newish. Oh, maybe he wants. You want to chat?
You guys local?
Nah.
Well, I knew this was here.
There's actually a way around it. We're going around this. It's just a closed bridge.
You know your way around?
Yeah, we'll end up on 446 going north if that's where you're trying to go.
Okay, yeah, I'm going back to Bloomington, yeah.
Okay, so you'll see 446. You just go south. Well, I like your SC10. I was actually looking at those at the store. I just thought maybe it's got the transformer headlights.
Yeah. That's what people say. I'll just follow you guys if you don't care.
Cool. Yeah, dude, that is a sick bike. I bet it's like not older. It's maybe a year or two old. Oh, his bike is faster than both of ours probably, dude. That's the fun part about motorcycling though, dude, is that social aspect like that. You know, you're riding and you come up on someone and they just want to pull over and talk. I love that. And here we are, 446. Well, shall we? Yep. In fact, most of the limestone in the Empire State Building is from here. Did you know that? Yeah, it's actually almost all of it's from Bedford, Indiana. I hope I have enough gas to finish this ride. This is kind of weird. I stopped one time right here in my car, somewhere along here, to pee. I peed in this field. All right, so then here's the turn. It's a little sharp. What? What did you do? Did you lock your back tire up again? Well, were you using... Well, you let go of the back brake. Well, that's drifting, Nate. You drifted. You got your adrenaline pumping yet? Oh, well, that's good. That means you're level-headed. It's optional. We could stop right here if you want. Yeah, this is a nice little... Yeah.
6 hours later.
Stop doing that.
Stop doing what? What? Okay. All right. You ready? Wow. Wow, wee woo-a.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Smells like a skunk had an orgasm. Okay, oh my lord. Do you need gas too? Alright, sick. Now I can go back to driving like an a-hole. Well, I'm about to do a pass-a-rooney on these dudes. I'm insecure. I'm a girl. I like to hang on to things from the past. We gotta find some parking. Sure. Sure, let's check it out. You probably park wherever your bike fits. My bike is hot. Perfect, all right. Well, this is Nashville, everyone. Biscuit Benny's, biscuits, y'all. Check this, it's so nice. It makes you feel like you could be in Denver. Or you could be in like Golden, Colorado right now for all you know, minus the mountains. It's that quaint.
One eternity later.
You'll get plenty of that tonight. Oh, yeah. Oh, saw it. They've been giving us that handlebar saw. The view ropes are strong with this one. Nah, I think the most I'd ever do is probably like a sport touring. You know, like your high-vis uncle kind of motorcycle. All right, this is a town called Bean Blossom. As we drive by Horny Town, a lot of wave ropes, like Justin Timberlake. Oh yeah! Oh no! Stop the accident! You know what, dude? The box truck's not going any slower than everybody else. Because that stupid Prius! It's always a Prius! Why does it always have to be a Prius going slow?
Well, if you enjoyed this video, click the like and subscribe buttons and share it with a friend. Thanks, Biscuits, and I'll catch you for the next installment.
Peace! I'm worried that my cylinder is going to go through my nutsack. Dude, Susie is in heat. I can feel it. She wants to find a mate.